Hello everybody and welcome to another Mystery Box Function Challenge. In the purple box there is some mystery math and your challenge is to figure out what that is. You can use the link in the description to try this out, and when you think you've got an idea, come on back and see if we get the same thing. Alright, let us begin with a 0. Okay, so 0 gives us 0.5. How about a 1? And 1 gives us 1. Okay, how about a 2? And 2 gives us 2. How about a 3? Oh, interesting. Okay, I think I see what's going on. I'm just going to put in a 4 here. Okay, I'm going to put in some negative numbers, and what I'm going to predict will happen is that they will get closer and closer to y equals 0, but never touch it. So let's put in a negative 1, 0.25, and a negative 2, 0.125. Let's put in a negative 9. Yeah, very close to 0, but not touching 0. So does this look familiar to you? To me, this looks a lot like a graph we had a few days ago when we were dealing with an exponential function, 2 to the x. And the reason I think 2 to the x has something to do with this is because look at these. We have powers of 2. 1 would be 2 to the 0 power, 2 would be 2 to the first power, 4 2 to the second, 8 2 to the third. So this definitely looks like powers of 2. So 2 to the x has something to do with this. It does appear to be off a little bit, right? Because we put in 1, 2 to the first power should be 2, but we've got a 1 here. That would be the same as 2 to the 0 power. And same here, it looks like this is, it's raising it to 1 power less. So how do we deal with that? Well, we can just put a minus 1 up here. And then let's just test to make sure that works. So if I put in a 1, 2 to the 1 minus 1, that's 2 to the 0, which is 1. And that's what I've got right here. If I put in a 2, 2 to the 2 minus 1 would be 2 to the first power, and that's 2, and that's exactly what I've got here. Does that work with a 0? So if we put 2 to the 0 minus 1, that would be 2 to the minus 1. That is 1 over 2, or 1/2, and that's what we got here. So I think we've got our function right here, 2 to the x minus 1 power. So let's go ahead and take a look at that. Yeah, this is 2 to the x minus 1, and we can graph that. So you see the same exponential shape. It's really just been moved over a little bit to the right from where we'd expect it to be. Well, how did that go for you? Did you recognize that exponential shape? Let me know. Thanks, everybody.